So I'm going to give you just a quick video here. A lot of times if you buy a bus secondhand, and maybe it may have been a shuttle bus or something, you're going to have to deal with any kind of decals that the previous owner had on here. So this one was a church, owned by a church, and so the first thing I did is I just got a credit card, and after loosening this up with some lighter fluid, hoping to get the adhesive to kind of break down, and then just kind of chipping away with it with a credit card, it took way too long to try and do it. So I kind of researched some different options on the internet, and I came up with this, which is just kind of like a wheel, has some lugs on it, I guess, that kind of grips the decal, and it kind of rips it off. So I'm going to show you how to pretty quickly take off decals, okay? So once you kind of get the bulk of the decal off, you can see that there still remains a little bit here and there, a little bit here and there. It's not ruining any of the finish on the paint, and if it did, it doesn't really matter anyways, because once I get this whole thing cleared off, I'm going to repaint it. So once you see whatever is left on the decals, then you can come back and just kind of hit them just real briefly. So I won't bore you with a long video showing the detail of me taking all of these decals off, but essentially if you get yourself something like this, because if you have a lot of decals, a product like this will help take these off pretty quickly and pretty easy to use. I mean, this right here took me about literally 1 minute, and I'll clean it up. I'll probably be able to take the rest of the decals off in 20-30 minutes. Thanks for watching.